How to save your Canva design. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily save your Canva design. So the first thing you want to do is head over to canva.com and make sure to log into your account. So what you basically have to do is go to your profile over here to see. This extension is bothering me, so let me just quickly turn it off. Now, you can just click on this, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. So what you're going to have to do is go to your particular design that you want to save. So I have multiple designs over here. What I can do is just click on any one of these. I'll just quickly head over here. And let's say if I want to export this design, this cover page, what I can do is simply go ahead and click on the share icon at the top right. Then you can easily download this. Click on this download button. And there are multiple file formats that you can directly download it to. So you cannot do SVG because it's a premium feature. So if you have the free version, you'll be able to do all of these. Let's say if I want to export it as a PDF, I can do that. And then click on download. Now it's going to start downloading directly. Once the file has been downloaded, you can just click on it and open it up. So here it has been exported as a PDF. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.